Imagine the world's largest river, flowing in the wrong direction. Yeah, the Amazon wasn't always what you think it is. What if I told you this mighty river once flowed west, not east, and a massive event flipped the flow forever? Millions of years ago, before the Andes Mountains even existed, the Amazon River flowed from the Atlantic into the Pacific. But then, boom, tectonic plates collided and the Andes rose like a wall of stone. That mountain wall blocked the flow, water backed up, and eventually, the Amazon reversed direction. That's right. The river changed course and carved its way east across South America. Nature's crazy, right? Drop a if that blew your mind, and follow for more wild earth facts you won't believe.